Righto, listen up folks, this is a very important and timely message. I'm about to say 6 words that, trust me, you don't want to hear. You ready for this? It's only 7 weeks till Christmas. What? 7 weeks? Now with that in mind, do yourself a favour and let me save you a ton of Christmas shopping grief with a couple of awesome scrapwood projects that are quick, cheap and simple to make. Now I don't know about you, but in my books that's a big tick, tick and tick. Introducing project number 1, which by the way is a world exclusive, is this super cool school folder inspired key holder that is so simple and costs less than $5 to make. And project number 2 is this snazzy little iPad stand, also for under $5, that you can personalise with your own image transfers. How cool is that? I like it. So what are you waiting for? Head on over to my YouTube channel at DIY for Knuckleheads, where I'll show you how to make the iPad stand and the key holder in easy to follow step-by-step instructions. You'll be glad you did. And I'll also leave a link to that video in the description box down below, so make sure you check it out. Alrighty, after all that, I think I need a cup of tea. So till next time, be good, be safe, and I'm out of here. Merry Christmas.